guys, ayan, welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video ay pupunta po tayo ngayon sa motor shop kasi nga po ay binigyan tayo ng Sir Steven ng pambili ng bagong flat seat. Ayan, thank you very much po Sir Steven. And then change oil na din po yung ating scooter. Ayun guys, nakasakay po kami dito kay Steven. Ang driver ko muna po ay yung husband ko. Ayan. At kapag abot ko na po ito ay talagang caring-carry ko na po siyang i-drive. Ayan, thank you so much Sir Steven. And update ko po kayo guys kapag nasa motor shop na po kami. So ayan guys, nandito na po tayo sa motor shop. Ayan, nagtanong na po kami kay Kuya kung magkano po yung flat seat ng Click, Honda Click, and mura po sa kanila, 1,500 pesos. 1,500 pesos only. But titingnan muna po na namin yung quality or yung itsura po ng flat seat. So ayun guys, yung kanilang flat seat. Color black. Color black, the flat seat Sir Steven, and it's mura lang po, 1,400. And for the change oil is 250. Magkano po? For only 250 pesos. Wow. Sir Steve, this is the flat seat that I bought, and this is the oil that we use to change for Stephen, and it's only for 1,400, and this oil is for 250 pesos. It's beautiful, Sir Steve. I like the flat seat, Sir Steven. Thank you very much.
Mas madali para lang dyan, ano? Lagi dyan siya, hydraulic.
Hydraulic ba? Oo, tatigas naman niya. Bakit may tutuya?
Here's the flat seat, Sir Steve. It's good and I like this, ano. Tapos na yan.
Nakita na naman, di ba?
It's look good, Sir Steven. And the next process is the change oil, Sir Steven. For only 250.
Okay. Nasaan?
Alis na.
Saan?
Yata.
Baka siya na, siya na.
Hindi ko alam. Baka doon mag-unit out.
Oh!
Hindi ko alam, mag-apply ka trabaho doon? Saan ba?
Yan, papuwi na po kami guys. And napalitan na nga po natin yung flat seat ni Stephen. And na-change oil na din po natin siya. Hindi na po kami bumalik doon sa New Neymar kasi same process lang naman po yun. Yung pag-change oil nila. So mas nakatipid po yung yung pinagbayaran natin. So ayun, Sir Steve, the rest of the money is I will buy some needed for Stephen. I will order to online shop for rubber matting and for his cover. Yan. And update ko po kayo guys kapag nasa bahay na po ako. So ayan guys, nandito na po kami sa sa kalsada. Papasok na sa loob ng compound say. So ayun, Sir Steve. And ito po yung change oil ni Stephen, and my husband will put this oil to my son's motorbike. And if you remember, with the last of my vlog is I'll buy scooter for only 2,000 pesos. And I will show you Sir Steve and what is looks. Yan, Sir Steve. Ayan guys, yun po yung motor na nabili namin for only 2K. And yung langis po, ito po yung langis na pinagpalitan ni Stephen ay ililipat po dito ng asawa ko kasi po bago pa nga po yung langis, malinis pa. Ayan. Pero ito naman po ay gumaandar na, gumagana na. And ang kailangan nga lang po ay yung mga transformation na lang. Yan. Naga po guys, nandito na po tayo sa bahay. Ayan, thank you very much po Sir Stephen for give me a blessing to buy a new flat seat and for change all my scooter, and the rest of the money that you give to me Sir Steve is I will order to online shop of rubber mat and cover for my scooter. And thank you very much Sir Steven, and take care always. I promise that I will always take care my Stephen, then I will drive safely always. Thank you so much Sir Steven. Love you and God bless.